back to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, we are coming to the end of bread week, and I wanted to do two more quick breads. A chocolate chip raisin quick bread, and this one, an herby onion and garlic quick bread. So here are my dry ingredients. I have 2 1/4 cup of flour. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I have some dried herbs, some dried herb seasoning, and that's my dry ingredients. I'm also going to add some of these minced onions to give it a more oniony flavor. And then I'll put this one to the side. And then we have my wet ingredients. We have 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of oil, and 1 1/2 cups of milk. Add my milk in here. Oopsie. I'm just going to give that a little mix. So a quick bread is a bread that does not require yeast for leavening. It uses the baking powder as a leavening ingredient. There are many different types of breads. There are quick breads. There are sweet yeast breads. There are savory yeast breads. There are enriched doughs. There are lean doughs. And I tried to cover everything during this week. I've done lean doughs. I did a ciabatta. I did an enriched dough. I did the hot cross buns. I did also I did croissants. I did bagels, which is a little bit more than a lean dough. It's a cross between a lean and a enriched. But this one right here, like I said, is a quick one. It doesn't require any leavening for rising. It's quick bread because you can mix everything together quickly and put it in a hot oven. We're gonna preheat our oven at 350. We don't have to wait. We can do it right away because all these things are gonna be mixed in, and then I'm gonna pop it into the oven. What I did do though, I greased my baking pan. I'm not gonna do a traditional loaf. I'm gonna do 9 little mini loaves. So that's why I have this one all out greased and ready to go. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put a well in my dry ingredients, and I'm gonna pour my wet ingredients down in there, and I'm gonna mix this thoroughly, and then I'll mix my other flavorings that I'm adding to this dough, which are caramelized onions, some fresh basil, and some smoked Gouda cheese. I forgot I was going to put cheese in there too. But this is so versatile. You can use this recipe and put any mix in that you want. It doesn't matter. You can use this mix, and it's very forgiving. So just want to make sure everything is mixed in good. You don't want to mix it too much because you don't want gluten to start forming and end up with a tough dough. So I'm going to add some of these caramelized onions in. On the mix ends, it's not an exact measurement. You just need to mix it in and see if you like what it looks like. If you want some more, then you can add some more. But I am going to add all this cheese in because I don't have a lot. It is a smoked Gouda. Break it up a little bit. Alright. that was about a half a cup of caramelized onions and about a quarter of a cup of basil. Okay, so now my batter has come together. Should give us a really nice loaf. This is what it looks like all together. And now I'm going to put it into my pans. And I'm going to scoop it with this scooper. Put it right in. I want these to be kind of full loaves, so I'm going to fill this little tin up. It's not like a yeast dough. It will rise, but you'll see what I'm talking about when I'm done. Hopefully I'll be able to get just 9 in here. Otherwise I have some other grease pans waiting in the wings if I have more than 9. Okay. So during this whole week, I've been trying to give you some diversity in your loaves, to encourage you to try something. You know, get out of your comfort zone. This is totally out of my comfort zone. You know, during this whole bread week, I've been learning how to make a lot of these breads. I've never made them before, and I don't know if it was fear that was holding me back, because I would watch a lot of these recipes on TV, on different shows. I love to watch recipes on food shows. And so I don't know if I necessarily was just afraid or just not encouraged, you know. And how we get encouraged is we have to encourage ourselves. You know, nobody's gonna come with some magic ball and say, come on, let's make this bread. No, you have to get it yourself, you know. My kids used to always say, I don't know why we have to watch this, you're not gonna make it. And they were right. but I'm making it now, you know. I'm forcing myself to learn about other types of things, and I got out just 9. Hallelujah. Exactly. Okay, so now, like I said, we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna check it at about 35 to see how they're doing, because these are spread out. It's not a whole loaf, so the times may be a little bit different. So our savory quick breads are out of the oven, and they look gorgeous. They look so good. I actually put a little topping on them. I didn't show you guys that, but I put a little topping on it. Something I use for my bagels. But you see that golden brown all around, and inside it's moist and delicious bread. So I hope you try this. Please remember to like, please remember to share, and please hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Erika from Erika's Best, and have a wonderful day. Bye.